We've been around. I gotta tell you, it feels good to be back on YouTube. We have been filming all of our projects. Jake's been behind the camera and we've been on all of our other platforms. I needed a reset from YouTube. I've been doing this for 5 years, nonstop, video, and it was just becoming to the point where I wasn't having fun doing it, so I needed a bit of a break. And I know that you guys might think that that sounds ridiculous. Like, it's easy, just film. Well, we bought a business last year, Ken White. We had a bunch of management kind of leave and come in, so I needed to get into the business more. It's been insane. I'm that guy that showed up to the job site today with literally yesterday bought these shoes. I used to wear cowboy boots everywhere, and now I wore Nikes. Taylor's changed since he's been gone. He's a city guy now. He's a city slicker. One of the last things we filmed was bringing the 60-foot McCluskey and our 1400 Warrior to the pit. And we have a bunch of footage that we will show after this, which is really awesome. We brought that stuff here because we really need to make sure this year our main focus is honing in on the pit, getting sand out, getting products to our customers and to ourselves. So we have a bunch of clips of that will roll right after this, showing the entire process of getting everything here and hauling some dirt up. Enjoy that stuff. Okay, so screener, it's got to get set up, moved over. First thing first is we got to fold this beast up. There we go. And we're gonna take the dog for a walk. Gotta let her eat. That sound moved all over TikTok, man. That's what we call taking the dog for a walk. Gotta let her eat. Time to take the dog for a walk. Gotta let her eat. Oh, she is impacted. There we go. Come on. Rule number 1, when you're screening, don't make a mess. And that's what happened here. This is a mess. This thing is stuck bad right now. Come on, here we go. Good enough for the girls I go for. Sorry, honey, I'm just kidding. You're beautiful. Don't need that right now. But before we get any further in the video, I gotta get today's video sponsor. Even after taking a 4 months long hiatus, whatever, our good friends over at Element have still came through and decided to support the channel, and I appreciate that. Element is definitely hands down the best electrolyte drink. It by far tastes the best out of any of them. What makes Element stand out than everybody else that I really liked about it is the sodium content in it. And a lot of people go, sodium's bad for you. Sodium is actually amazing for you. And a lot of people actually lack that, especially in our line of work. And why it's important is when it's summertime or the guys are out here, they're running chainsaws and they're sweating, even right now in the wintertime, they're really lacking the salt content in their bodies and they need to stay hydrated. So that's why in the office, actually downstairs in the shop, we leave all the Element out for the guys to take in their trucks, pour in their water, shake it up, get it. It's beautiful. Thank you, Element, for sponsoring this video. Go get you some. So make sure to head to drinkelement.com/KWC to start your electrolyte journey today. Make sure to head to the link in my bio for a free gift with any purchase. Thank you very much for Element sponsoring the video. Back to the video. All right, 6 a.m. Taking the dog for a walk. I think that's good, eh? Okay, she's loaded, and now we gotta take her down the road, chain her up. Things are coming together. Nice cold morning, baby. Nice. That's why we should wear hard hats. Junior, grab that pin. Yeah. Get ready to drop that pin in, Junior. Hold on a sec. You got it? Good. Nice. Okay, other side. See, last time we needed machinery to do this. Now we don't. Yeah. Tag team. Might need the loader to push on that. Last time we needed machinery to do this. Now we don't. Ow. Dirty piece of bunch of bleeps there. Just take a dog, let her eat. I said that to Jake yesterday. I'm like, man, that one reached people. This tractor's been sitting here and it's been infamous for not starting. But we went through a lot to get this thing, the screener and the stacker here. All right, let's see what happens here. Come on, baby, please. Uh-oh. Son of a bitch. All right, let's go get the truck. We're gonna have to boost it because the battery is completely dead, like I imagined. And I just bought a new battery. She is fired up, ready to rock. Now you'll notice here, this is something new. It's 10,400 hours on it. I bought it at a Ritchie's auction. This thing's a beast. It's got duals on it. I also have a 14-foot articulated silage blade for the front of it that we'll put on for winter time so that we can plow out the roads here. And this is beautiful. This is what I love being back here. Okay, morning. Goal for today, what we're starting to do is screen topsoil. It's still dark out, but it's gonna be a really nice morning. You can start seeing the sun coming up over here, so it's gonna be nice. Let's do it.
Swing around, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, and we can link up. It's not a hookup, don't think about it too much.
I was just saying to Jake, we come here to film for the first time in 3 months, and what happens? It's 12:07, and everybody decides to take off. I come here to film for the first time in 4 months, and you guys park the machines. No lunch today. Also, I apologize because I should be in my high vis and hard hat, but all the machines are parked right now, and we're gonna stay right near my truck. But you guys having glizzies? Dude, he's cooking a glizzy, a big hot dog on a big stick. That's what it's all about. That's awesome. As we've been away, like I said just before this, we've been filming. Jake has been filming. We have been on so many really cool, interesting projects, and I feel like you guys may have felt like, oh, he's not filming them, we're not showing them. Obviously, a lot has changed. I mean, if you look behind me and you look at some machinery, you'll notice that if you don't follow us on other things and you just YouTube, all of a sudden you're like, where did the black bulldozer come from? We'll get to that, but first, I think what the best thing to do is, I've missed the most, and I think you guys probably has missed the most, is Ken White Construction montages, and that all starts right now.
Hey, see the devil keep holding me down, but my people say poppy. See, I come from the gutter, the mud, the dirt, but somehow I got tied to this rock. I was down on my luck, I ain't had me a book. Swear this life shit was rocky. Had to figure it out ASAP, cause see now I got kids, I be damned if they copy. Every store we walk in, I was shopping. If I see it, I like it, I copy. It was days when I didn't have shit. Used to walk through the store putting shit in my pocket. Kicking thugs, you get caught, keep it solid. All them nights that I felt I was dropping. All them nights I was stuck in the lawn in them streets. If a nigga tried me, but I popped.
There's none left? How many did you bring? Throw me a hot dog. Raw hot dog. Very good.
How much money in sand is here? Not enough to pay for all the that you do. That's actually accurate.
So behind me here, this is gonna be its own video, obviously on its own. I mean, I'm out here, and to explain kind of what's going on here today is guys are clearing a bunch of land with the shovels and the dozer and the mulcher to get the sand underneath. So we got to strip the topsoil, push that off. Dump trucks are coming because they're hauling out some red sand from here, and we'll mix our topsoil at our yard because it's a little more clay with some red sand. So that's what they're doing over here. They're clearly cooking some hot dogs, enjoying some glizzies for lunch. More videos, we're gonna be filming more, and I'm gonna try to find and find the niche of what I wanna film and what I wanna show. So try to show more of this stuff, more of what's going on behind the scenes as well too, what's more going on with me and the business and as we grow, and the other business as well. I wanna talk about that stuff. But that's what the guys got going on right now. It's February, it's winter time. Things are obviously a little bit slower. They're always slower in February, but the guys, luckily enough, we have the pit to keep us going and stay busy here clearing some land. So if you are not subscribed, I know for a while everybody's like, well, he's not gonna upload YouTube videos. Make sure that you are subscribed. I appreciate it a lot. I didn't go anywhere and we are back, and I'm excited to give you guys the content that you deserve. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. For 5 years, this is the part of the video where I would normally look at the camera and say, and no, I didn't forget. But listen, here's where we're at with that. I have took a 5-month hiatus, as you know, and now we're back after this video. Moving forward, I will always include a special clip for people at the end of the video, 100%. But my content, I'm ever evolving and changing and growing. 5 years of asking people, being true patriots. So if you truly want to be a true patriot, you'll continue to watch the channel, you continue to support, you continue to go watch and buy all of our merch with the links down below. But there will be no Patriot words of the days, most likely in the videos. There might be, possibly to come. I'm just saying, I'm shifting, moving away. There'll always be a special clip at the end for everybody that watches the entire videos. But the Patriots word of the day, it may be back, it may be not.